Haven't seen anybody do this before, but Maverickman Carbon recently updated his mold for the wings and also updated it from a 1x1 weave to a 2x2 twill. So this will be an unboxing of actually two wings and then a comparison between an OG wing, which is the one that's previously on my car, and the new wings. Alright, so here we go. I have adorned the GoPro head strap, and let's get into this. Alright, so now that I'm done fumbling with tape, let's go through what normally comes with all of the purchases if you make them from him. You get this pamphlet. Generally this is updated with newer products, so this is fairly new because it's got the billet arrowhead dipstick available on it. It talks about general prices, stuff like that, things that are generally available. So you'll get one of these with every purchase. And this is the grammar is important, fast GTOs are importanter sticker. That's new. I've never had one of these before, so that's going on my car or in the garage. And we got one more. Oh, two more. One sticker and two more stickers. Alright, now that I am done fumbling with tape, I think. Yep. So, for those that aren't aware, the actual carbon spoiler that was on my car is an original run that's roughly 5 to 6 years old, and it's actually a blemished piece, but I couldn't find any blemishes on it. It's actually sitting up there on top of my stock SS wheels. And this is the new mold for these wings, along with the new weave. So this is a 2x2 twill, like I said before, and the fit and finish of this thing is just absolutely astonishing. I mean, even compared to the old one, and the old one was just about laser straight. I mean, just about as straight as it could possibly be. Let's go unwrap my old spoiler and we'll compare that one to this one and see what the visual difference is. Old Faithful. Alright, after 3 years of fumbling with all the saran wrap I used to protect this thing, excuse the lines and some of the dust and shit on it. It's been sitting on my car in the warehouse for 4 months now. So we'll try and catch the weave over here in the light. This is the new style 2x2. That's the, I believe it was a 1x1 twill. You can tell how much tighter that 2x2 is. But regardless of the differences, I'm thrilled to have more than one just for the time being. So there's actually 3 here, counting my original one. This one has already been sold to another local GT owner and good friend of mine. And the one that's still wrapped up is going to a beautiful midnight blue metallic home-built twin turbo car that's owned by my buddy James. He's not too far from here. And he actually also just got a Maverickman Carbon hood recently. So, for anybody who's wondering what it looks like to get a brand new one, especially on the updated mold with the new weave, you know, that gives you a visual reference and guide about what things look like and what to expect when you do get one of these. So, gotta clean up that rear bumper and wrap the new wing back up after coating it, and we'll be on our way.